Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make roast potatoes. Let's get started. I prefer Yukon gold potatoes. Some black pepper and salt. Duck fat. Rosemary and thyme for flavor. For thyme, I mix fresh thyme and ground thyme. Yukon gold potatoes are usually not big. If it is too small, I simply halve them. For the big one, I chop it into 3 pieces. I'm going to steam the potatoes instead of parboiling. When the water is boiling, it's time to transfer the potatoes to the steamer and keep the high heat for 15 minutes. When steaming, potato does not lose any starch. The surface more easily have starchy slurry, later more crispier after roasting compared to parboiling. After 15 minutes, stick the potato with a fork. It easily goes in, meaning it's ready. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. While waiting, I will season the potatoes by adding salt, pepper, and duck fat. Mix them well. Make sure every piece is coated with the seasoning. Transfer the potatoes to a baking tray. The first batch for roasting is 30 minutes. Let's check it. The color is slightly brown. I will add thyme and rosemary for the flavor this time and mix them well. Then send it back to the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for another 30 minutes. The color is perfect and the surface is crunchy. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so it cost me $5.80. I'm ready for the Sunday roast. Thanks for watching my video.